Hey there everyone, welcome back to Great Day Adventure. Today we are here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Since today, Star Tours The Adventure Continues is updated with all new scenes with Mandalorian, Ahsoka, and Andor as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now, if there's one ride I wouldn't suggest rope dropping, that is for Star Tours The Adventure Continues. The reason why is because it always has a low wait. Right now, it's at a 5-minute wait, but later on, it'll most likely be around 10 or 20 minutes later on. So it's not a huge attraction. That's going to be very popular later. But the reason why we're here this morning is because I want to try and see if we can get all three of the characters in Star Tours this morning, with Mandalorian, Andor, and Ahsoka, as well as the new Ahsoka mission as well, since those are three new additions in Star Tours, and today is the first ever day. So let's go ahead and head over to Star Tours The Adventure Continues.
Transmission.
Star Tours, a battle is brewing and we can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Normally, I would gladly be of service, but...
Enter the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous, historic, and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgo are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh, no!
Star Tours. Stu gets one here. Go do some help.
We did it!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
And I just got out of Star Tours. In total, it was a 25 posted minute wait. However, I only waited around 12 minutes or so. And in my opinion, so far with the Mandalorian Grogu transmission, it was cool to see. There's a lot of people excited to see both of them. And we also had the new scene as well with Ahsoka. So technically that's 2 down, but there's 3 transmissions and 1 brand new scene. So far we got 1 new transmission and 1 scene. So can we get the 2 transmissions in under an hour and a half maybe? We'll see. So right now it looks like Star Tours is pretty busy this morning. So let's go ahead and head back in line to go and ride Star Tours and see if we can get Andor and Ahsoka.
Transmission. A Mandalorian.
Star Tours, a battle is brewing and we can no longer stand in the shadows.
Well, it looks like we got Mandalorian once again. I want to try and see if we can get Andor or Ahsoka throughout the rest of the day. I want to only be here for a few hours. However, I'm starting to think it might not be that short. So I want to try and get in behind once again. Ride number 3. Hopefully gets Andor or Ahsoka. I think we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can get Andor or Ahsoka. Now with this challenge, this is all based on 2 things: luck and the computer. With the computer, it randomly generates certain scenes for the ride, where one ride would get the Mandalorian transmission, or the Ahsoka transmission, or even a transmission from Andor. And every single ride is different. So if I'm going to try and get all the new transmissions, I need to also have luck.
What transmission?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano, greetings.
Rubio. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I am sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, Arthur. Let us consider this matter.
Ride number 3 complete, and we got Ahsoka this time. Finally, and we broke the curse of having Mandalorian Grogu, which was twice admittedly. But next, I want to try and get Andor, and that is all of the new stuff here for Star Tours. So let's go ahead and try and ride it once more. Hopefully we get Andor. If not, I think I'll take a break after.
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
I think I want to go ahead and take a break because I've been riding Star Tours for 2 hours. Wait time is ridiculous. I kind of want to wait until people try to go lunch and then head into Star Tours. So that then hopefully I can at least get Andor, because that's the last character I need. That's the last transmission. I said before, I wanted to start this challenge, and it looks like right now hope is fading a bit, but hopefully after we stop by Baseline Tap House, grab a bite eats, and then hopefully we can get Andor, and that should be it for today. Now with Baseline Tap House, this is an area where they have California beer and cider, create your own beer flight, cocktails, fine wine on tap, especially non-alcoholic drinks and snacks like a pretzel, and even a charcuterie board. And of course the hours are from 10:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. tonight. So I was thinking I might try to get a pretzel with beer cheese, along with, I think I want to try maybe a drink, but I'm also thinking maybe not. Might just get the pretzel. We'll see. So we are now outside of Baseline Tap House. Oh, almost spilled my drink. I actually got myself a drink. I was tempted on just sticking with the water, but I decided to get a wild strawberry hibiscus soda on tap. This is $4, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with this. Hopefully it's good. I want to like this, so yeah, should be interesting. It is genuinely really good. It tastes like a fruit punch almost. It's very sweet, has a nice flavor in it, and honestly, I would get this again. But now we have the piece of resistance, the one, the only pretzel here at Baseline Tap House. We have the beer cheese, and we also have a German mustard as well. I thought we would go ahead, try 2 sauces, and then honestly I think see which sauce is better. Can't go wrong with this pretzel. It's a great snack. For the most part, it's very filling, and the cheese itself pretty good. But next we have the mustard as well. Let's dig in. I'm not gonna lie, the mustard kind of has this kick to it, and the mustard is really good. But the cheese, I mean, I think the cheese is better. It's probably the perfect cheese sauce in Disney World. Probably the best cheese sauce here. But overall, if you really want an incredible pretzel, and if you want a snack that fills you up, I'll come here to Baseline Tap House, especially for the hibiscus soda, which is incredible. So I was thinking we should go ahead, finish this pretzel, and then head on to Star Tours for hopefully the last time today.
Star Tours.
I've already rode this ride 5 times, and I gotta say, I have not seen Andor yet. And right now, I'm gonna ride it one last time.
Star Tours.
Alright, now, this is my final time, okay?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
7 rides later, still didn't get Andor, so let's just call quits right now. Right here we have a Star Tours jacket for $70. And we also have Star Tours, the Adventure Continues hat, along with a toy Star Tours car right here. And then we also have a official Star Speeder 1000 Star Tours shirt for $40, along with another Star Tours shirt with R2-D2 and C-3PO with the Star Speeder as well. And I think that's it with all new merchandise. Also out here we have a new poster with all of the space whales, and it's really cool to see all this now here. But also looks like the Lightning Lane line has been extended for today. Also, I did see there was a photo op area right around here in the Jedi Training Academy. Since this just dropped to 30 minutes, I think we're gonna sacrifice 30 minutes for this. We gotta get Andor today.
Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. Hot race. I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. Transmission.
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka. Sorry. Greetings.
3PO. R2.
And we are now here with Ryan from For the Love of Theme Parks.
Thank you.
So-
So we just rode together. It was my first ride, not 8th, which I would not suggest anybody try that. And my first ride today. I love Star Tours. I think it's better than Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. And with the variety is the big thing. Now, in 2019, I think it was officially at 140 different combinations you could get on Star Tours. Now it's probably up to even higher, even though today everybody's getting pretty much the same ride. Not Andor, apparently.
Apparently not. With these new additions to Star Tours, they're fine. It's nothing substantial where it's like a major change, but it's a change I like. And really with Star Tours, there is 250 different versions of this ride. So no matter what you get on Star Tours, overall I think Star Tours is still a fun ride, and with these additions, it's a fine addition in my opinion. But overall, I think that's going to be a wrap on today. It was a interesting day for sure. We did not get Andor, but maybe next time we might do that for May 4th maybe. We'll try to see if we can get it later down the line. No promises, but let me know in the comments below. Have you ever been to Star Tours The Adventure Continues? And if so, let me know. Also, big shout out to For the Love of Theme Parks. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to help support my channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more videos in the future. And as always, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.